For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Stop wasting time in the kitchen. This sink does it all. Ever felt frustrated running back and forth between washing, chopping, and draining? I used to spend so much time juggling tasks until I tried a multifunctional stainless steel sink. It changed everything. Now I prep meals faster, clean easier, and my kitchen actually feels organized. This sink is built for real-life kitchens. With its wash, cut, and drain setup, you can rinse vegetables, chop them, and drain water without moving around. In small kitchens like mine, this saves serious counter space and time. Why it works so well? Durable design. Thick stainless steel with honeycomb embossing resists scratches and deformation, even with heavy cookware. Easy to clean. Oil and food particles rinse off quickly, no scrubbing marathon required. Fast drainage, sloped bottom and multi-layer filtration prevent standing water and odors. Flexible faucets, pull-out options with multiple water modes make rinsing, filling pots, or washing delicate items effortless. Multiple sizes, 24 by 17, 27 by 17, or 29 by 17 inches to fit your kitchen perfectly. I've personally seen how much smoother meal prep becomes with everything in one place. From family dinners to quick lunches, this sink handles it all without slowing you down. Why you'll love it? Save time, reduce mess, and upgrade your kitchen workflow, all in a sleek, practical design. If you cook daily and want less hassle, this multifunctional sink isn't just a tool, it's a game changer.